Hey guys,
this is Jay here from
Louis, the X-Journey.
X-Journey's in the house. We're here at LaGuardia Airport. We're on our way to Miami. Doing our next cruise. We're so excited. And behind us is a nice little show here in LaGuardia. This is Louis' actually first time at the new terminal.
First time at the new terminal. Love it. Anyway, we will see you in Miami.
Yes, we will. We're going to have a good time. And see you later.
Hey guys, what's going on? I'm currently on my plane. Florida, looking forward to it. And catch you when we're
tomorrow is cruise day. We'll be on board the Celebrity Silhouette. And we're going to try this one more time.
Yes.
All right. Good evening, everyone.
Hi,
Jay
guys.
here with Louis. The X-Journey's in the house. We're here in Miami right now.
We just got to Miami, Florida. Airport was a little chaotic, guys, but hey, that's like any airport whatsoever. It's actually quite interesting because when we landed, we requested an Uber, and they have their own little rideshare section. Not like New York. I found it extremely interesting. I said, "Oh wow!"
Yeah, but they said they were having problems with the app. So
correct.
We sent the driver a confirmation as to where we're at to tell us where to go, but we confirmed this is where we're at, and he picked us up right away.
Right, that is correct.
We got here in like 15 minutes.
Yes. So
then we are like 15 minutes away from the port.
That's it, exactly.
So that's good to know. And tomorrow is what?
Cruise day.
Cruise day.
Yes, we are staying at the Hampton Inn.
Hampton Inn in downtown.
We had free breakfast in the morning, which is a positive thing. Which is good. It's actually really good.
Included breakfast.
Restaurants
all around.
Yes.
Also, they gave us a nice little complimentary cocktails,
which is good. Either beer or wine. Hey, not bad.
You know what?
Not bad. Exactly. We have a.
However, they do provide transportation from here.
Correct.
To the port, but it's $8 per person. They run from 10 to 1, and you have to sign yourself up at the front desk just in case. For those of you who have never stayed at this hotel.
And it's $8, not bad.
$8 a person, cash, no card.
Correct. And it is a decent sized room, guys.
Yep, very nice. We'll give you a room tour in just a bit.
Yes.
We just got in, we're gonna freshen up a little bit, and we'll come back.
Plus I'm starving.
We gotta eat.
I'm always hungry. Hey guys. Hi Jimmy. Hi Jay. Anyway guys, this is our room. Quick room tour of the hotel. 906, that's actually a very good number. Full length mirror, which is not bad. We're 15 minutes from the port again. Wow, look at the size of the shower, guys. Huge shower. And then of course, where the magic happens. Beautiful size. And then you have of course hangers. We just want to hang up some stuff real quick. This is actually a great room if you want to do some work. They have a nice size, oh yeah, of course, they do have a nice size television. They also have a nice size desk.
Microwave, there's a fridge right here.
Microwave fridge, which is not bad. A couple of drawers here. There's not much of a view, guys, so, little sitting area. King size, massive bed. Hopefully it's comfortable. Yes, it is just an overnight hotel. Just stay. If you want to stay here a couple of days, that would be great too, guys. Anyway, but yes, this is our hotel room.
Tomorrow we're boarding
the Celebrity Silhouette.
We're coming.
We are coming, guys. Anyway.
A little quaint little restaurant in the corner. Looks very nice. Down the street from the hotel. It's called Marosa Restaurant. Very nice. Welcome to Miami.
morning,
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Here we are in Miami, and we are on our way to breakfast.
Yes.
And then it is what day today?
It's cruise day.
It's cruise day. So anyway, guys, we're just here, getting ready to.
I am not energetic whatsoever, guys. I need my caffeine.
Yeah, I do too. Believe me.
He's a little more energetic, as you can tell. For me, I need my coffee.
Yep. Anyway, we're on our way now to eat,
Yes.
and we'll come back to you later.
Hello, everyone. Hello. It's cruise day. We're just being quiet because, you know, we loud New Yorkers yelling and screaming like we ain't got no sense.
Right, exactly. We're currently waiting for the shuttle bus from the hotel. It's approximately $8 each person to go to the cruise port, and it's only about 15-minute drive.
Yep, not bad. Maybe less, but
Correct.
depending on traffic too.
Yes.
But yeah, this hotel, it stays nice. It's conveniently located. There's food,
And there's a lot
CVS,
nearby.
a lot nearby.
Guys.
People here can get old, but
Anyway,
that's another story.
nevertheless, we will definitely catch you when we're at the
Yes. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Here's our celebrity silhouette. Boarding celebrity silhouette. This boarding pass,
Guys, this process has been the most easiest process, and we've been on many cruises, but seriously, Celebrity, so far, 2 thumbs up for that.
we just went through like nothing.
5 minutes max, that's it.
Not even.
We're about to board the ship.
Yep, here we go. Hello. It's official. Thank you. Go ahead, Lou. We're officially on board Celebrity Silhouette. I don't know if they're ready.
Oh, they would have said something, right?
I guess so.
I'm so used to
My baby. We'll walk into our cabin now.
I think we actually got on the wrong side.
Hey guys, here we are, deck 7, room 210, on board Celebrity Silhouette. So this is our cabin for the next 4 days. It's a very short cruise. As you can see, this here is our balcony. Let's open this and just down and slide. Which is a very nice size. Very nice and very spacious. Little table here if you want to have breakfast. And there's the boarding port. So this is our vantage view from the 7th deck. You can see the rescue boats, but they're not pretty much blocking the view, so it's not obstructed. So the higher you are, the better the views, but this is actually nice. And right over there in that building is the Virgin Voyages Departure Lounge. Nice. And here's a lovely bed. These are 2 twins that can be split into 2 separate beds. Put them together, it becomes a king bed. Here's a nice little sleeper lounge. I don't know if it becomes a bed or not. I don't think so. And it also comes with a little table there. Nice size TV. Plenty of drawer space, as you can see. Right under here is our safe. And right under that is our refrigerator. Now, all that stuff is not included in our package, FYI. So if you do use that, there will be a charge. So don't use it, or tell your room steward to remove it so you can put your own stuff. FYI, guys. This here's a little desk area. It's very small, but at least it has a chair. There's a mirror there. And over here is our closet. We have hangers. Excuse our stuff, guys. And these are two extra areas that you can pull down and use for extra hanging space. Now, the closets are not very big, but they're nice for this trip.
We get robes.
Celebrity does provide us with robes to wear throughout the cruise, which is actually very nice. And here's your thermostat, which you have to have it on full cold because it's very hot outside. Here's your light switch to turn on the bathroom light. This here is our tour of the ship. Not a tour, actually, it's just the assembly station where you are to meet in an emergency. Our area is deck 4, A4, which is in the theater. This is if you want to let the room steward you want to sleep. That's magnetic. Here's a light switch to the whole cabin. And now here's the bathroom.
Where the magic happens.
Exactly. Now, guys, please be very careful when you step into this bath.
Yes, I almost tripped.
Yep, there's a step up there, so please use caution when stepping into the bathroom. And nicely appointed. Have a little cabinet space here, as you can see. And here's a commode. Little extra drawers here. Extra storage. And we love the shower. The shower is very, very nice. No shower curtains, thank you, Celebrity.
I think by now they're starting to realize shower curtains are no good anymore.
You'd be
right?
surprised what cruise lines
I know,
still.
I'm sure.
And you can shave, and you can shave your
I
legs
can shave my
there.
legs. It's pretty roomy, actually. It really is.
Mm-hmm.
Nice size.
And that is a room tour
That's us.
of room
7210.
7210.
Let me see what the bed is.
Now Lewis is going to do the bed test. How is it?
It's comfy. Very, very comfy.
It's a celebrity bed.
It is a celebrity bed. Hopefully the pillows are comfortable. Because you know what? When we went on the royal ship, the pillows weren't that comfortable, but the bed was comfortable, which
Right.
is pretty ironic. But nevertheless, this is really, really good. Look at
And
that.
then right above the bed,
Oh, extra storage, guys.
can you open that loop? Can you do
Of course,
Vanna
of
for me?
course.
Thank you, Vanna. You can
Each
use
side,
those two
actually.
areas,
There's
two separate
two
storage
sides.
areas, so you can put
Watch
some
your
more
fingers.
storage. So that's good to know. Oh, very important, because we do live in a tech time. Sorry about that, guys. The camera got caught on the gimbal. You have 2 US port charges, 1 European. That is it.
I don't see.
We do
any-
not see any USB.
Hold on, let me see something before.
We do not see any USB, so for those that want to charge your stuff,
Yeah, no.
not even underneath the light switch.
That's what I'm looking for now. No.
So, okay,
No.
so those are the only ports that we have. Thank
Okay,
God
we'll
we
do it
have
then,
extra
yeah. I like the
adapters.
lights, though. The lights.
So, yeah.
Green lights.
Yeah, the Prima didn't have them, remember?
The green lights,
And
correct.
this little section is nice, and for you to have some more space, it is recommended
Right.
that you push this.
More, and we can put it to the side, if anything, like on the side of there, on the side.
No, it doesn't fit in there.
That doesn't fit.
This is the best recommended spot to push it all the way under, so that way you have more walk area. And then mirrors right there. You want to look cute? All right, guys.